Welcome back to Greenwashing Awareness Month. And if you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to live toxin-free, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 affordable swaps for a toxin-free home. These are easy, budget-friendly, and they'll make a big difference in reducing toxic load for you and your family. Best of all, no stress, just progress. Now, here's swap number 1. Ditch dryer sheets and use wool balls with essential oils. Now, I've mentioned this a few times before, and this was the first swap I did on my toxin-free journey. So dryer sheets are one of the sneakiest sources of synthetic fragrances and chemicals that cling to your clothes, towels, and bed sheets, and they can irritate your skin. A healthier and actually cheaper swap is wool dryer balls. You just add a couple of drops of essential oil like lavender, wild orange, or eucalyptus for a fresh, natural scent, and then toss them into the dryer. Not only does this save money long term, it also reduces waste and keeps harmful residues off your clothes. I did a more in-depth video on this, and I'll link it at the end of this video if you want to catch that. Now, swap number 2, throw out room sprays and plug-ins for a DIY essential oil room spray. Commercial air fresheners and plug-ins are packed with chemicals that pollute the air inside your home, sometimes worse than outdoor pollution. So instead of using these, make a simple DIY spray bottle with water and 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. I love peppermint and lemon for a fresh, clean vibe. You'll know exactly what's in it, and your air will feel light and natural. And these oils will actually remove impurities from the air. Now, swap number 3, replace nonstick cookware with stainless steel or cast iron. Now, nonstick pans, while they are pretty cool in making the cleanup a breeze, often release toxins when heated, and over time, that coating can chip off into your food. A safer swap is stainless steel or cast iron. Now, cast iron especially is budget-friendly, lasts forever, and actually adds a little bit of iron to your food, which can be a health bonus. Now, whatever pan you choose, before you buy it, use the Bobby-approved app to make sure there aren't any hidden toxins. I know I scanned a cast iron pan a while back, and it wasn't approved. It was actually not made of pure cast iron. Now, there's labeling for you. If you aren't familiar with the Bobby-approved app, I'll link it in the description below so that you can check it out. Swap number 4, switch out plastic food storage containers for glass containers or stainless steel containers. Plastic food containers can leach chemicals, especially when heated or scratched. Instead, try switching to glass storage containers or even repurpose glass jars from pasta sauce or pickles. Or if you're like me and have hundreds of mason jars, take them out of storage and start using those. They're affordable, safer for your food, and better for the planet. Plus, they keep leftovers tasting fresher. Lastly, swap number 5, replace conventional candles for an essential oil diffuser. Now, most candles use paraffin wax and artificial fragrances, which release soot and chemicals into the air. A healthier option is an essential oil diffuser. Just add a few drops like frankincense, bergamot, or cinnamon into your diffuser for a nice, warm, cozy feel. So here's the thing. You don't need to swap everything out at once. Start with just one area that feels doable and would give you the best benefit. And over time, you'll notice that these little changes really add up. Remember, every swap is a step towards protecting your health, reducing your toxic load, and creating a safe haven in your home. Now, if you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of our Greenwashing Awareness Month series. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's the first swap you're going to make in your home? Let's inspire each other on this journey to a healthier, happier space.